Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastery Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about function parameters. C program function use the parameters and the return type to communicate with the rest of the program. Here clear explanation for your exam understanding. Function parameters in C. Parameters are the inputs given to a function. Types of parameter: actual parameters, arguments, value passed when calling the function. Add 5 comma 10, value passed when calling the function example. Second one is a formal parameters, variable defined in the function definition. Int add in that parameter to define the data type, int a comma int b. Example: hash include stdio.h, int add int a comma int b. The functional or formal parameters return a plus b. Int main int result equal to add 5 comma 10. Actual parameter: first one is a formal parameter, second one is a actual parameters. Sum equal to percentage of d colon comma result, return 0. Why I need to put the return 0? Have the return type int main, that's why I need to put the return 0. Way of passing parameter call by value default in C. Copies the value. Change inside the function. Do not affect the original variable. Void change into A x equal to 100. Call by reference using the pointer. Pass the address of the variable. Changes affect the original variable. Call by value cannot affect the original value, but call by reference can able to change or can able to affect the original variable. Void changes int asterisk x equal to 100 is a pointer variable. Asterisk x means pointer variable. Return type in C. Return type is a specifies what value a function send back. Return type, function name, parameters, syntax. Actually, return type is a four type of return types. Let's see syntax with example. Formal parameters. Variable defined in the function definition. Variable defined in the function definition, that is called as a formal parameter. Int add. Int is a return type. Add is a function name. To pass the parameters, formal parameters to int a comma int b. Integer is a data type. A is a variable name. Integer is a data type. B that means of variable name. So two variable pass the parameters with the data type or like a declarations inside the parameter. These kind of things is called as a formal parameters. Hash include stdio.h, int add int a comma int b. It's a formal parameter written a plus b int main int result equal to add 5 comma 10 print sum equal to percentage of d double quotes comma result return 0 int main. That's why I need to put the return 0. What is a formal argument, what is a actual argument? The formal argument, let pass the argument with data type in that function parameters, that is called as a formal parameters. What is the actual parameters? The formal parameters based pass the value, that is called as a actual parameters. Here the example are a comma b, pass the value 5 comma 5. There's a difference between the actual and the formal parameters. Type of return value, function returning a value. Int square int x parameters, return x into x. So what will happen? X into multiply x and stored to one variable. There is it's not a stored variable, just return the value, multiply and return type is mentioned like int, so need to return the value. Have return type is there, return is there. Second one, function returning no value, that's why void display print message. So no return type or non-return type, non-parameters passing, only just showing that message. This kind of usage only used for printing only. Next one, function return no value, there is a void only. Next one, function returning multiple values. C does not directly support the multiple returns, but you can use pointer and structure. Int cal c int a int b int asterisk sum int asterisk difference. Asterisk sum equal to a plus b, asterisk difference equal to a divided by b. Asterisk indicates the pointer variable. Add the two numbers and store the pointer variable. Divide the two numbers and store the pointer variable. Type of function based on the parameter and return type. Parameter no, Return type no. Used void function. Parameter yes. Return type no. Void function with pass the parameters. Parameter no. Return type yes. Int function. Parameter yes. Return type yes. Int function pass the parameters. These are four categories of function with return type, without return type, the combinations. Parameter no return type, no parameter no return type, parameter no return type, no parameter return type, parameters return type. It's a four major classification of return type. The example cover all the type of function parameter passing. Hash include st2.h wide, just a great, print the message, wide print the number int e num int n, print that number n number. This first one is a no parameters no return type. Second one is a no return type with parameters. Third one is a no parameters with a return type. Fourth one is a return type no parameters, return some values, int multiply int a comma int b, so return a asterisk b. So parameters and return type is a fourth combination one. Just call all the inside the main function, it will execute and print the result. Parameter input to the function, return type output from the function, void no return value, default passing call by value, use pointer for call by reference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click over the bell symbol for further video updates.